How to replace the actuator on the Airsled LiftCart. The unit's top and caster wheels were removed for this video demonstration. Start by removing the two snap rings at the motor end with snap ring pliers. Gently tap the center pin out with a hammer. If there is sufficient tension at the mounting hole, the center pin will remain lodged, so an Allen key was used to help push the pin completely out. With the center pin removed, jostle the actuator and slowly lift the scissor frame to fully dislodge the actuator. Next, remove the snap rings from the piston end of the actuator. The center pin should dislodge with minimal effort. The process is now complete. When installing a new actuator, starting at the motor end is recommended. Insert the center pin and install the two snap rings by hand or with the pliers, and do the same for the piston end. If the center pin cannot freely pass through the mounting holes, power on the actuator to fine-tune the piston's position until the pin easily inserts. Complete the process by securing both snap rings. With all connections secure and wiring properly connected, your LiftCart is now ready for operation. Learn more at Airsled.com.